Okay, Bella, so this is a little desk in your room. What are these?
Doorknob that I made.
It's a doorknob that you made, huh? And you're gonna show us how you made this doorknob?
Yeah.
Alright, and this is kind of old now, right?
Yeah.
What did it look like when you first made it?
It looks really yellow.
It's kind of dying now, right?
Yeah.
Does that mean you need to make a new one?
It looks like this.
Oh, it was that color. Okay, so you're gonna show us how to make a new one.
Yeah.
Alright. Show me how to do it. Alright, so what do we got to do to make one of those doorknobs?
Yeah.
What's that? A nail? So you need a nail. Okay, and then what?
You pick these and put them on.
Okay, so these are leaves from the yard?
Yeah. Whoa.
How many leaves do you think you have to pick?
I don't know. Maybe 5.
Okay. So you got a nail,
When you pull
and you
them?
keep pushing them on
Yeah.
through the nail.
Yeah. When you pull them, wind the splatters off.
You do what?
When you pull them, wind the splatters off because it rains so fast.
Oh, okay. So, oh, it rains, so it's splattering every time you pull a leaf. Wow. Does it matter what size leaves you pick?
No.
So you just pick in any order, big or small, and you just keep putting them on. Is that right? All right. Why don't you show me the front of it? Let me see what it looks like right now. Hold on. I'm moving it. Okay. Wow, it's looking pretty.
I need 3 more.
3 more?
Mhm.
Okay.
3 more. 3 more. 1 more. 1 left. 1. Hey. All done.
All right, let me see this thing. Hold on. Wow, cool. It looks like a flower. Like a flower bud. Very cool.
I need another nail to make that.
You need another nail to make 2?
Mhm.
All right, I'll get you one. Okay, so the second one's made. And you used the new nail this time, right? And the other one was an old rusty one that you found. All right, good deal.
Now I'm gonna put them
Now what?
I would take these out.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put them in here.
Oh, you're gonna save the old ones?
These are both rusty ones.
Oh wow, yeah, the new ones look much better. So you had those for a couple weeks, I think, right? And then they kind of got dried out.
I'm keeping this with me.
All right, so you're gonna put them in. Let's see what they look like.
Where'd that other one go? I made. No. Here, where's that there? Hey, close, mister. I want to close. Back.
All right, you're gonna put it in.
Yeah, okay.
Very cool. New decorative doorknobs. They're very green. Add a lot of life to the room. All right, thanks. But are you gonna show them your turtle?
My baby.
Oh, little baby's in there. Oh, there's the baby turtle.
Hi, baby.
Very cool.
Hi, little cute.
Okay. All right. Tell everyone something before we finish the video.
Bye-bye. And you have to subscribe.